Hi.
And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so we have Phantom. Not all Phantoms want to destroy Jamal. In fact, some just want to be loud. For a limited time, you can visit the diamond shop and adopt your very
Oh.
own pet Phantom. So that's cool. Then we have the Epic Haunted
If
Manor.
you like creepy rooms, haunted trees, and other spooky surprises, the Epic Haunted Manor is the perfect den for you.
Okay, Bittersweet gameplay. Okay, okay. Adventure updates, not reading that. Game invites. Okay, have you heard? Read this, please.
Have you heard the great news? Now you can click the game icon at the top of your screen to the multiplayer, and at the game invite will appear so other jammers can join you. Now it is easier than ever to play your favorite games with your buddies.
Okay. More name options. Okay. Quick Gone Artist, Dove Lightning Shadow, and Honest Kawaii Berry Phantom Vortex. Okay, now they have returning, traveling, I don't care, okay, blah blah blah. Mountain Forest Party, I must leave, that's all right now. That's cool. Okay. I love this, okay.
And they just
I
made a
hate
new,
this, I hate this.
but they made a new holiday, World Animal Day.
I don't really like this.
What a nice holiday.
I don't even know what it is. Okay. Advertisement right there. Advertisement. Okay, so let's go get a Phantom. So, okay, black and blue.
Aw.
There. So I figured this out that these are really ears. Yeah. But should I go with the little ones? What? Okay. Should I go with the little ones? Okay.
I don't know.
I'm gonna go like
You can see. That is your Phantom, not mine.
Wait, what does that give it?
We're never gonna finish.
Let me figure this out a little. I'll be right back. Okay.
Okay, after 10 hours of picking.
No.
I can't confirm tonight that it wasn't
I
10
do not
hours.
know what that is, so please leave it in the comments below because yeah. Okay. So we should. Is there any Phantom in here?
Phantom.
Phantom.
That took for it.
These-
Okay, 10 years later. 10 years later.
Yeah.
So, this is taking so long.
So yeah.
Yay! She found it.
Okay, so I named the Phantom and it's Ghost
I will
Phantom.
talk it all, I promise.
Okay, so we're back. Okay, so let's. Oh, okay. Adopted Sunday, October 2,
Also,
2006.
it's done
Brave,
16.
pointy stick, and rainbows. Wow, wow! I never knew you could do that.
So,
Yeah.
well, this is technically our Phantom.
Yes. Okay. Ghost Phantom. Just
Aww.
okay. So.
So cute. So
Okay.
cute.
So let's go to the. Wait. Is there?
We can go to a party right now, but we can go to the Atlantic's party.
3 hours. I'm not gonna wait that long. So bittersweet. Let's see if phantoms attack other phantoms. Well. Okay. So I don't care. Okay. Let's go.
Wait, you should have answered.
What?
You're rude.
What? What? Sorry, but no.
What?
No,
Well, that
wasn't
could have
a
been.
fair trade.
Well,
That wasn't a
fine. It wasn't a fair trade. As far as you're
Okay,
concerned.
let's see.
Candy. I think they're just.
No, that's so mean.
Well, get the candy.
I'm killing the
Well,
other
too bad.
phantoms.
Well, too bad you're getting candy out of it. That's what I would want to do on Halloween.
No, I can't watch more of this. I can't watch any more.
Killing phantoms.
You're such a weakling.
That's
Okay,
nice.
So, wow. Okay, let's look at the name tags that they have right here. Okay. So.
How do you fix this mechano?
I have no idea.
How do you work it?
I don't know.
No, okay. Okay, stop, please, please. I'm gonna do the lemur.
A lemur. The lemur.
King Julian.
Oh.
So I'm gonna try to name it
Oh, you just skipped that name, by the way.
I broke it. Okay, so that.
Kikai.
Wow.
Well, that's just not good. Okay, that's your name. That's
Wait. You can name your animal King.
Hiking Stone.
And then you can put Bean right here. Like King Julian.
Don't do that.
King Bean. King Bean.
Okay.
Okay, whatever. Okay.
He's alive. Mechano. Make me a sandwich.
Okay, so I'm gonna just put.
Make me a sandwich.
Okay, so legit. I'm gonna put
What a legit name.
legit Hawaii. We're getting a little bit kawaii.
Are you mocking me?
Lee's here.
Leafy!
Leafy's here.
We found Leafy!
Leafy's
That's
here.
not funny. He's gonna sue you.
Oh god, no. Okay.
That's not even Leafy anymore.
Legit.
Legit Leafy. I like that name.
No. Legit cute.
Mechano, listen to me.
Okay, I'm gonna stop recording if you don't.
Stop.
Use drone mode.
Wow. Legit cute
Say
swag.
robot mode.
Swag. Legit cute. No.
Okay.
Legit cute swag, okay?
We've literally been looking up a name for 5 minutes.
Wow.
That's been taking us a long time.
So we started a video in 1 minute.
Wait, the right arm's
Oh, wait, no. Sorry. I was... Okay.
sure ignore the funny things I say.
Let's buy this swaggy little legit namer.
Cute dog. We should have named it Leafy.
Legit cute.
We should have named it Leafy, by the way.
He's gonna,
How dare you?
We should have done it.
he's gonna roast me. What do you want
Oh,
from
I want to...
Wow.
I will literally be looking up your channels. I'll be looking up your channel a long time to see if he'll roast you.
Okay, so.
I want to see that. I want to see her
okay,
roast.
So, yeah,
I want to see you getting
that's
roasted.
cool.
It would be funny, especially on YouTube. Getting roasted on YouTube, that's like one of the worst ways to get roasted.
Okay, so let's just a really quick look at the. Just. I'm sorry, I keep on pausing it.
You don't have to be mean.
Oh, this reminds me of a song. This always
You're
does.
so mean to me.
Why do you do this? You put me in such a complicated situation.
You put me in such a complicated situation.
This still reminds me of a song.
But I'm not happy.
You're gonna get attacked, by the way.
If you're not, no.
I was like behind you. I'm gonna attack you with that. Yeah, so we don't really put that much effort. We don't put that much effort into these videos that you guys can notice.
Please stop.
So